Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Madam President, Governor, and Mayors of Local Government Association member of the City of Manila. As the chairperson of Standing Committee on Gender Equality of UCMT Aspak, and as the Mayor of Pandacan Municipality in Indonesia, I call you on stronger and more concrete action for local government and international communities of humanitarian crisis. Global urbanization brings bigger concern over the scale and magnitude of impact on women. And sooner or later will come our commitment and hard work to achieve sustainable development. How we move into motion that first humanitarian crisis, local government must get stronger, must understand and acknowledge that local government is instrumental in achieving the estimate that the everything is common. Second, as the urbanization is unavoidable and it is increasing women and their welfare, and it harms the development like your international communities must adopt. Third, UCLT and UCLT Aspak must continue